Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Hello, fellow feline enthusiasts. In this video, I will explain how to get the card in I Am Cat. These cards are typically key cards that grant you access to exciting new areas within the game, like the garage or the street. The most straightforward way to acquire them is by diligently completing the missions assigned to your mischievous cat. As you finish these tasks, the game will naturally guide you towards unlocking the necessary card to continue your adventures. It's all about exploring and being a good, or rather, a perfectly chaotic cat. Once you've completed enough missions, the key card for new areas, such as the garage, typically appears in a safe. This safe is usually found on the second floor of the house. It's crucial to finish a certain number of quests to trigger its appearance. Always keep an eye on your in-game watch for a clear list of your current objectives. Sometimes, simply sleeping in your cat bed can help advance missions or ensure your progress is saved, bringing you closer to that elusive card. For those playing the VR version of I Am Cat, there's an alternative, albeit tricky, method to get the keycard without completing all missions. This involves a clever glitch. First, position your cat diagonally, aiming towards the safe's hidden compartment where the card resides. Then, pause the game and physically walk forward in your real-world space until you are standing on the compartment. Resume the game, use snap turning, and carefully manipulate your cat's paws to grab and pull the card free. It might take a few tries, but it can be done. To ensure your success in collecting cards, remember that patience is truly key. Some cards might require several attempts or very precise actions to obtain. If you're trying the glitch method, don't be afraid to experiment with different angles and movements. Also, keep an eye out for game updates, as developers might introduce new ways to find cards or patch existing glitches. Ultimately, each card you acquire opens up new areas and adventures, allowing you to explore even more of the delightful world of I Am Cat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.